Research in motion. It is now 8:27, Tuesday, September 22nd. And basically, this is a RIMM 3-minute chart that had put in a swing low. Here is the reversal doji right here. There's the peak. We bought it off of those lows, and we sold into resistance. And we're coming up to a double top, and we're going to buy again right above $84, right where this part of the breakout occurred. And we will update the RIMM chart at a later date. Minute period moving average have crossed over. The green line is a 200. This is a 3-minute chart. These are minute period moving averages. You've got a 3-minute buy signal now, where before when you were buying it, you had a MACD sell signal, but you were buying that negative. Now you're into the positive. And if we break this neckline right here, this pivot bar and that pivot bar there, then that means that that 3-minute buy signal gets some momentum. We could move higher. However, we're not going to, buy it in here. We'll update it, we'll pause it, and we'll come back to it. But 3-minute chart on research and motion. All right, we are resuming something called the wall of resistance. And when is that wall of resistance going to be taken out? And on the trading day for today, anyway, on CME is once again, you come down, you come up to the wall of resistance. Yesterday's high was 309. We didn't take it out. We came back up here. We did not take it out. So let's mark the amount of times of the wall of resistance. Oops, I'm sorry. Let's use a different. Okay. Now, wall of resistance. Wall of resistance. Wall of resistance. And a lower high. This high of resistance is lower than some of these other peaks. Not by much. But wall of resistance here. 2 bars. Wall of resistance. They pull it back, they consolidate it, and then they push through it. And the buyer showed up. And we have now made another swing high of 52 pennies. 55 pennies. That's 55 pennies higher than the previous day's swing high. And price line is also on this tape and CME. So I need to be reminded when I go to render the tape. That price line is on this tape, and CME is on this tape. And the wall of resistances. And what are the character patterns of the wall of resistances? And we talked about how they must increase that trade. They make that wall of resistance, then they fade back again. We will see where that intraday swing high turns out to be. Here is the $350 call options that we own. Up, they're $950 by $990. We paid $4.25. Some people paid $3.90. Some people own them at $5, and they're coming up. And as I said, the closer we get to 310, and when we do break above 310, they're going to start giving more premium. Particularly above 311.50, these go much higher. Okay, and that is that. On this particular account right here, on this tape here, these are the call contracts, 21 contracts that this gentleman bought. He was told by me to buy 20 more contracts at $4. He would have had 41 contracts. He'd be up 20,000 right now. The position is good for 10,269, not 20. Google is doing its trade. We got 30 contracts here at $4.85. These could have been bought more down here. They're at $10.15, a more than 100% profit, $15,900 gain here. So between this trade and this trade, that's $26,000 gain. Not to mention the 5 contracts that are up $1,775 of the 510 calls here on Google. the point of it is, you can see here that you have to, and we made another swing high of 61 pennies. Okay, so basically, the reason why we haven't sold out, and this is just a 3-minute chart here. Okay, that's what this is. And we just wanted to record the wall of resistance, and we'll pause it.